Hey everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to measure your CPU temperature on a Raspberry Pi. It's actually a lot easier than you might think. We've got a PuTTY terminal open over here on the right, and on the left I'll be showing you some Python code through VNC. So there's actually this neat built-in command here. First going to take a look at everything it can do with vcgencmd. If we just type that in followed by commands, we'll get a list of everything that's available through that function. What we're interested in is the measure temp command. If you just type that in, vcgencmd space measure underscore temp, hit enter, it will return your CPU's temperature in Celsius. That's pretty neat, right? Now let's see if we can actually do something with it. I've got two different programs I'm going to show you over here. The first one is going to demonstrate how it actually works under the hood. We need to import the library OS and time. Then we're going to make an object here that will get the temperature from that command that we just did in PuTTY, and we're going to read the line, and we're going to store it to a variable and return it. Then, while true, print measure temp. Wait 1 second. Let's run this here. And there we can see the temperature once per second. It just returns a variable that you can store and do whatever you want with it. Now, there's actually a much easier way to do it. Right over here, we can actually use GPIO 0. I haven't used that in quite a while, so it's kind of a refresher here for me to be using GPIO 0, but it has a built-in CPU temperature. So we're also going to import time, set a variable here with the object CPU temperature, and then print CPU.temperature and sleep for 1 second. And you'll see that it works exactly the same way. Not a lot to it, it's pretty easy to do. I'm going to be using this with my high altitude balloon project. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of that. Over the last couple of weeks, well, last couple of months actually, I've been demonstrating everything that's going to go into this. Everything's going to get combined into one giant program with Python. I'm going to strap it to a 1,500 gram latex balloon filled with about 130 cubic feet of industrial grade helium and let it go outside. It's going to be pretty exciting. Don't miss it. I hope to do some large scale testing with all of this over the next couple of weeks, so don't miss it, and I will talk to you next week. Thanks.